Have you ever wished you could make your own stickers from anything you want? Well, now you can with CapCut's AI sticker generator. In this video, we'll teach you how to transform any text prompt into a sticker that you can use in your videos. Whether you want to add some humor, emotion, or style to your clips, CapCut's AI sticker generator can help you do it in seconds. Let's get started. Welcome to Creative Suit Tutorials YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about new AI stickers generator and how to use it in CapCut PC. In the Sticker tab, we can see this AI sticker generator option. If we talk about interface, it is same as previous AI features such as image generator. You can learn these features in our suggested videos. We can write a description of stickers here which we want to create. We have an adjust option here from where we can select the style in which we want to generate sticker. In the Showcase tab, we can see example stickers and prompts in different styles. These all were created with this AI feature. We can also see the prompt which was used to create this and also use it again. These types of stickers can be used in short-form reels between captions. Stickers will elevate the look and feel of our captions if we use them at right place. Selecting which style to use is dependent on the type of video we are creating. For example, if we are creating retro-style video, we might use pixel sticker or crayons. Now let's try this feature by generating some stickers. For testing we have written some prompts. It can take some time to generate the sticker. As we can see, the sticker has been generated. To be honest, this feature is in development phase and still it has done some job here. The prompt was a difficult one and still it has produced a result near as per description. We can try the same prompt with a different style and see what happens. These results are not good, and the text is not written correctly. Let's try this one last time with another style to see the results. These AI features are getting wild day by day and we can use them for our editing projects in creative ways. This time, it has created the shape, but the text is still not written well. Now let's try the second prompt. We will select the cartoon style as we want to generate a cartoon. Wow! Just look at the stickers generated. They are not perfect, but they are visually appealing. Now we can say that this AI is not good at handling text, but it can generate stickers very well. Now let's try a third prompt and this time we will use a new style. We are starting new video courses, and you can vote for your favorite one in the community post section. Again, this time it has created the sticker very well and text not written well. Now let's try the last prompt, which is totally text-based. Let's choose the style as crayon and see what it creates for us. The text is totally random and doesn't make any sense. Now let's type a custom short prompt for oil painting. Just look at the results, how precisely AI has used the colors as described. The oil painting looks so precise, and AI has done a great job in this task. All the colors, shadows and reflections are created perfectly. We can get more creative ideas from this showcase feature. Now sometimes, if this AI feature doesn't create a good sticker, we can use traditional sticker search feature inside CapCut PC. CapCut has a huge library of stickers, and they are all free to use. In this search bar we can search for our desired sticker with keywords. Let's search for some stickers and see what results are. Now, we can get animated stickers here also. We can also search text effects to make our video look more stylish. Some animated stickers are also present for social media platforms. Tell us in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care.